Hello everyone, welcome to MERI Daily Space Bulletin. Space is not just about stars and planets, it is about discovery, exploration and the endless possibilities beyond our world. Let's explore the world together. Today is Saturday. Saturday is associated with Shani Dev, in Hindu mythology who is often regarded as a deity connected with justice, discipline and time. Interestingly, the planet Saturn, named after the Roman god Saturn, is also associated with time and order in ancient traditions. Let us begin with today's top developments. Ongoing spacewalk preps emergency training keep crew busy on Wednesday. Spacewalk preparations are ongoing aboard the International Space Stations as two astronauts gear up to replace a high-speed antenna next week. The Expedition 75 crew members also practice their emergency response skills in coordination with Mission Controller on Earth. Spacesuit maintenance and procedure reviews fill the schedule on Wednesday to support the spacewalks scheduled for Tuesday, 18th of August. Flight engineers Anil Menon of NASA, Sophia Adnote of ESA will work outside the orbital outpost about 6.5 hours to replace a high-speed data and communication antenna. NASA fuels Roman Space Telescope for late August launch. Technicians completed fueling NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, bringing it an important step closer to launch. On July 25, the team completed operations that carefully loaded 290 gallons of hydrogen fuel into the observatory at the Payload Hazardous Servicing Facility at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. After launch and separation from the rocket, Roman will use this onboard propellant to perform maneuvers as it travels to Sun-Earth Lagrange Point 2 or L2 located about 1 million from Earth. There are about 4 times of distance to the moon. It will have an ideal home for astronomy. Telescope milestone teams check out NASA Roman solar panels. The solar panels that will help power NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Telescope completed pre-launch cleaning and inspection July 8 at the Payload Hazardous Servicing Facility at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Engineers and technicians are following necessary procedures to protect Roman from tiny debris, dust or other materials so that it operates optimally in space about 1 million miles away from Earth or 4 times the distance to the moon. NASA completes astronauts deployed science instrument for lunar surface. NASA has declared wrenches down on the first completed payload designed for Artemis astronauts to deploy on the moon's surface. Engineers working on NASA's Lunar Environment Monitoring Stations or LEMS have completed hardware development and testing, and the payload is ready for its permanent home near the lunar South Pole. With the hardware complete, LEMS is ready to support one of the Artemis program's core goals, enabling sustained lunar science and exploration. And with that, Yaana Taank signing off for the day. Stay updated for the latest updates.